Welcome to the Thought Refinery Meditations. In this video, you will discover a powerful, yet simple technique to dissolve stress and invite deep relaxation into your body and mind. By guiding you through 3 intentional breaths and a soothing body scan, this practice will help you release tension, cultivate calm, and train your mind to return to peace whenever you need it. Begin by settling into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take the first deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and hold it for 5 seconds. Exhale slowly, releasing any tightness you may be carrying. Now, take the second deep breath in, even deeper this time, and hold it for 5 seconds. As you exhale, imagine all stress leaving your body like a gentle breeze. One last deep breath in. Hold it for 5 seconds. And as you exhale, whisper silently to yourself, "I am relaxed." This is your new anchor to peace. From now on, whenever stress arises, you will remember this practice. 3 deep breaths, holding each for 5 seconds, and on the final exhale, affirming, "I am relaxed." Now, let your body soften even more. Slowly blink your eyes, and with each number I say, let your eyelids grow heavier. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Allow your eyes to close fully, welcoming a wave of relaxation through your entire body. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Notice any sensations there: warmth, lightness, or simply presence. Now, move your focus to your eyes. Let them relax deeply, releasing any tiny movements effortlessly. Feel the weight of your head resting gently against the surface beneath you. Shift your attention to your nose. With each inhale, imagine calm energy filling you. With each exhale, imagine your body sinking deeper into relaxation. Now, notice your ears. Listen to the sounds around you, each one a ripple of relaxation guiding you inward. Bring awareness to your mouth. Is there a lingering taste, awakening your senses? Let your focus drift to your neck and shoulders. Invite any tightness to soften, melting away like warm sunlight. Travel down your arms to your fingertips. What do they touch? Notice textures, warmth, or the gentle hum of energy there. Now, rest your attention on your chest and heart. Feel the steady rhythm of your heartbeat, a reminder of your strength and vitality. Become aware of your lungs. With each breath, they nourish you, expanding and releasing with ease. Move your focus to your belly and lower back. Imagine warmth spreading through your core, soothing every cell. Let relaxation flow down your legs, through your knees, calves, and all the way to your toes. You are doing beautifully. Now, imagine standing at the top of a staircase. With each descending number, you step deeper into tranquility. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Your subconscious mind is fully present now, open and receptive. From this moment forward, you choose calm. You choose clarity. You choose to honor your well-being every day. Repeat silently with me. Each day, in every way, I grow stronger and more at peace. When challenges arise, you meet them with steady breath and quiet confidence. Stress may visit, but it will never stay, because you know how to return to calm. Affirm with me now. I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace with every breath. Gently begin to return to the present moment. 1. Awakening your awareness. 2. 3. Feeling refreshed and renewed. 4. 5. Bringing back all the calm you've cultivated. 6. 7. Stretching your fingers and toes lightly. 8. 9. Almost fully present. And 10. Welcome back. Take a deep breath in and exhale with a smile. You've just taken a powerful step toward lasting relaxation. Practice this daily for the next 21 days and witness the transformation unfold. If this meditation brought you peace, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more guided journeys. Until next time, be well.